the question that I have in front of me shows me that I have 18 over 7, and it wants me to write it as a mixed number. So any number or any fraction that is a numerator that is larger than the denominator is improper. They would like for you to write it as a mixed number for it to be considered proper. A lot of times, sometimes the questions doesn't matter, but it is important to know how to do this. So the first thing that you're going to do, and let me write this in a fun color for you. So your step 1 is going to be divide. And a lot of people look at fractions and they're like, why am I dividing? Fractions are just another way of showing you, of saying divide. There's actually a lot of different ways to say divide in math, but you get into that a little later. So to do this, I'm going to say 18 is my numerator, and that is going to go in my house, as some people say. And my 7 is going to go outside. So the rationale behind this is 7 is how many is considered to make one whole. So you're going to say, how many groups of 7 can I find? Okay, so I'm going to divide this. I'm going to say, okay, well, how many times does 7 go into 18 without going over? And I know that that is 2. So 2 times 7 is 14. And I subtract that, and 4 is my remainder. Now, this is so very important to have the remainder and your whole number. Okay, so my fun colors, I'm going to say 2. Whole number is your new whole number. Okay, so probably didn't need to write that out, but it's there anyway. So 2 is my new whole number. Okay, and then I'm going to say 3 remainder is the numerator. So I'm going to take this remainder that I have down here, right? Because 4, it's just what I have that's extra, that's left over, that doesn't quite exactly make another whole. So that's going to go up here, okay? And then, well, I just have 4 floating over nothing. I need to have a denominator, right? So my denominator is going to be the same as it was before in the original question. My writing is getting a little sloppy there. Sorry, y'all. So here's my original denominator. That is going to go there. Okay? That does not change because 7 is still all the parts that make a whole, and that does not change regardless of what is there. So I now have 2 and 4/7 as my new proper mixed number, and that is all you need to know.